How to install Upwork desktop app. Open any browser of your choice. You can download it from the official website of Upwork. Click on the search bar. Type in www.upwork.com/ab/downloads. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Upwork. You can download the Upwork desktop application directly from here. Select your version. Click on the field of Select your version. You can see the latest versions over here. It is better to download the latest version of the Upwork app. You can click on the option Windows 32 or Windows 64 over here. Once you do that, click on the download option that you can see on the screen. After that, the setup exe file will be downloaded. Click on the download icon. You can see over here Upwork setup.exe has been downloaded. Click on the open icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, the download will be started. What you have to do is simply wait for a while. Agree to the terms and conditions. Your Upwork application will easily be downloaded. Like this, you can install Upwork desktop app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.